Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking window screens today. We are going to show you the proper and safe way, calmly, on how to remove your screen without breaking anything. There's a right way to do this, there's a wrong way to do this. Don't do it the wrong way. And we are going to remove it for repair. Let's take a look. DIYers making our way into the formal dining room. Kentucky Derby took place last week. That was fun, mint juleps and more. We love the Kentucky Derby. And let's direct our attention to this window. And your latches are probably the same, if not very similar. Turn them to the right. That unlocks the latches and window. We'll pull the window up, as you see here. And I do want to show you the little lock latches. One right there, and on the complete opposite side, one right there. And what we'll do is carefully shift those little things down, and that will actually unlock the screen from the inner mount. I'll position the camera and continue the project. Next, what I did was basically build my own little brace here that the window will be lowered onto and rest onto as we remove the screen. And that is to prevent damage to the hinges. And on either side of the upper window frame itself, you've got these little unlatch tabs there. And that basically unlatches the window frame so you can pull it out of the internal rail. And I will do that simultaneously or both of those at the same time, and give yourself about 8 inches. Pull the window up about 8 to 10 inches so you have room to pull or shift the upper portion of the window frame out and down and rest it on something soft. Got the camera set back, and again I'm just going to push in each of these tabs and shift the window down. Again, giving yourself 8 to 10 inches on the bottom side plays a significant role. Lower it carefully and onto the, what I hope, a soft surface in your case, to prevent scratching or damage to the glass. And from here, I have direct contact with those inner latches. And all I'm going to do is shift them down, again, one on each side, and pull the screen right out. As you see, right there. Check that out. Completely removed. Very simple project. And from here, I'm going to carefully shift the window back up. And now it is properly locked back inside the rail and lowered down. Now to a close-up view of the entire screen, fully removed from the window frame or housing or rails. And the little latches, again, they were positioned like that to lock them in the rail or frame itself. Shifting them down basically allows that little lock tab on both sides to lower below the frame and give you the opportunity to carefully shift this entire screen up and out. In the event that one of your little lock tabs break off, install a brand new one and rivet it in place. The replacement screen is basically on a roll, and it's very cost friendly. In the event that you want to buy or purchase the roll, we'll place a link down below in the comments and description just to give you a view of what it looks like. And you roll it out, cut it, and basically re-secure all of the pieces together. DIYers, we are at the workstation, where we have the kit that we are going to use when replacing the screen. Down below in the comment section, as well as the description section, will be a link on where to purchase this kit. It's awesome. It's got your tools, as you see right here. And it's got a lot of spline, as shown here. Tape measure, knife, and there's a metal one. Look at that. The pick tool, and it's got a little guard on it, and screen, and that's large screen, and I wanted to show you that. And down below in the comments and description is a link on where to purchase this kit again, as well as using it or putting it to use, and we will show you how to use all of these tools to replace your screen. Real quick DIYers, before we wrap the video up, I do want to show you the reinstallation of the screen. Verify that your lock latches are open or unlocked. Raise the window again about 10 inches or so. Come up top to the lock release tabs, shift them in, allow the weight of the window to lower slowly onto your padded support piece there, and come in with the screen ever so carefully, not to scratch anything. Place it in the track as shown there, and carefully lower it in. And before you actually lower this screen in and housing, verify that your little lock tabs are on the inside. And I will shift that in place, and I'm going to shift each of the lock tabs up and push in and shift it up. And DIYers, that screen is properly reinstalled. And lower it down. And lock each lock latch. Now to the opposite side, and as you see, DIYers, a very friendly project of removing the screen and reinstalling the screen for that matter once you get the screen replaced or fixed.